cure a nagging cough or inflammation of the lungs with this quick trick. In brief moments, a written explanation. The recipe that we reveal today is especially helpful during cold and flu infections, as it will help to arrest coughing and improve breathing. You should not underestimate the effectiveness of this herbal formulation, as it is as powerful as any cough syrup and faster acting. It consists of several herbs which have a numbing effect that can soothe your lung and throat pain. Additionally, while the chemicals and commercial cough syrups impair the immune system, this remedy has a therapeutic effect for your overall health. In the case of an especially bad lung irritation, this tea may be used in conjunction with mullein, but this should rarely be necessary. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon cloves, 1/2 teaspoon thyme, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons honey, juice of half a lemon, 1 green tea bag. You can also use regular tea as an inferior substitute. Method of preparation: place all the herbs and the tea bag into a coffee mug with boiling water. Let them steep for 3 minutes, and strain before adding the honey and lemon. Note: sometimes, chronic cough and lung inflammation problems may indicate Candida yeast overgrowth in the gastrointestinal tract. Thus, doctors will generally test for lung cancer in people with chronic coughing issues, but the testing itself is prone to causing cancers. Therefore, doctors usually congratulate themselves for the early detection of cancer. Hence, patients should be cautious. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.